Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the basics. Make sure the battery is not critically low and plug in if uncertain. Once plugged, try a soft reboot, press power, or press power plus a volume button for about 10-15 seconds because many freezes clear with this. If buttons feel unresponsive, keep holding them. Sometimes the device needs a continuous signal. Make a mental note of the screen behavior so you can describe it if further steps are required. If the soft reboot fails, perform a device-specific forced restart. On many Androids, press power plus volume down. On iPhones, follow the volume up, volume down, then hold side sequence. This forces a fresh startup. Once restarted, consider booting Android into safe mode by long pressing power off and selecting safe mode, because that disables third-party apps. You should watch how the phone behaves in safe mode. If stable, remove recently installed apps or clear app caches to prevent recurrence. If freezes persist, back up your data immediately. Use cloud storage, a PC, or an SD card, because a factory reset will erase personal files. Once backed up, perform a factory reset via settings. If the screen remains unresponsive, enter recovery mode and select wipe data/factory reset. If the phone shows hardware faults like overheating, cracked circuits, or repeated boot loops, contact authorized service and check warranty before attempting repairs yourself. One key tip: avoid DIY board fixes unless you have proper tools and training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.